Hello everyone and welcome to Veganise Anything. Today we'll be making juicy vegan chicken noodles. And I can promise, you have a lot to look forward to. Now let's take a look at the ingredients we're going to use today. Look closely, especially at the shiitake mushrooms. They are dry shiitake stems that we have soaked, drained, at this point we added vegan chicken seasoning, then smashed and dried. You can sun dry it of course, which takes quite a long time, or use a dehydrator or a similar machine to get a soft and dry, jerky-like consistency. If you can't or don't want to do this, you can use fresh shiitake, oyster or king oyster mushrooms. They just need to be shredded using your hands or fork. We have chosen these mushrooms because they have great, almost chicken-like texture. Or feel free to use any other vegan chicken meat alternative. When you have all that ready, take the shiitake stems and tear them apart in the way you see on the screen. Now, get a large pan or a skillet and heat up some oil. When the oil is hot, maintain medium-low heat and add in 4 sliced shallots. Follow with 2 cloves of minced garlic. Now, add 5 cm minced ginger with 3 cm bruised galangal. Add 3 bay leaves, along with 2 sprigs of sliced spring onions. Now it's time to add your shiitake mushrooms, or whichever vegan meat you have chosen to use, and stir it all together. Now add 1 tablespoon sweet soy sauce and 1 tablespoon vegan oyster sauce. Don't forget, sometimes it's called vegetarian mushroom sauce. Stir and get ready to add in our spices. Start with 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon white pepper, 1.5 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon veggie powder. Stir and pour in about half a cup water. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add another half a cup water. Simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes while stirring occasionally, or until you get the consistency you can see here. Take out all the bay leaves and the galangal. And we are pretty much done. We don't want it too thick, so there is no need to add any thickeners like cornstarch. Just leave it as it is, tender and juicy. Since we are cooking chicken noodles, we need to get some noodles boiling. We are using our homemade spinach noodles, but that's for another video. For now, you can use any noodles you like. So, when they're boiled, put them in a bowl, add 3 teaspoons shallot oil and 3 teaspoons garlic oil, along with some fried shallots and garlic. If you don't have it or don't know how to make it, it's really easy. Simply fry some sliced shallots, do the same with garlic, and that's the whole rocket science done. We are adding these to make it more fragrant. And as the last, add 3 teaspoons light soy sauce to your noodles. And mix it all nicely together. Now boil a pot of water. We will just quickly flush boil a handful of Chinese greens, called yu choy. Take them out after about 10 seconds and do the same with a handful of bean sprouts as well. And that's it, we are ready to serve. Put the noodles on a plate. Add some fried shallots. Put the yu choy and bean sprouts on the side. We have also added a bit of our amazing homemade chili paste, which is again for another video. And of course, last but not least, the main thing we've been cooking the whole time, our juicy, tender vegan chicken meat. And it's time to enjoy. Go for it and dig in. Since we've cooked enough, there's another portion coming along, so you can plate up another bowl for your hungry friends or family. You can let us know how it all worked out for you down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family. And as always, don't forget that you can veganize anything. Thank you for watching, we hope it's been helpful, and we'll see you next week.